In this video, I'll show you how to stabilize a clip using CapCut. I have a clip already added to the timeline. We'll play a few seconds of it. So let's see if it could look a little better with some added stabilization. First, make sure you have the clip selected by clicking it on the timeline. You can see the icons on the bottom have changed. Just swipe to the left until you see the stabilize icon. Click the stabilize icon, and then use the slider to select the level of stabilization you want. Minimal cropping will give you the least stabilization, while most stable will crop in a lot more. I'll leave it on recommended, see how that looks. Remember when you're done to click the checkbox on the lower right. In the corner of the video, you'll see it start processing the clip. Once it's done, you'll see it apply a small crop. Now when I play back the clip, you see it does a decent job of stabilizing. You can always go back to the stabilize setting and choose more stable, which will crop more, or minimal, which will crop less. It'll give you less stabilization. And that's it. If you want to learn how to stabilize using the desktop version of CapCut, I have another video on that. Check it out.